Hi kabayan! So we're now here at Metrogate Dasmariñas, Cavite. Meet our newest model which is Amethyst. So this is a model unit only available at pre-selling stage. It has a 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with a lot area of 120 square meters and floor area of 165 square meters. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Hi kabahay! Alam mo ba kung bakit maganda mag-invest dito sa ating property here in Metrogate Dasmariñas? Dahil itong property natin is flood-free. Dahil makikita nyo ang ating property is elevated. Naka-uphill po itong ating portion ng ating Amethyst model. And as you can see, ang ating property is a single attached unit property, complete finish turnover. And only 5 minutes away lang ito sa SM Dasmariñas and Robinsons Dasmariñas. And by the way mga kabay, as you can see, this Amethyst model can fit up to 1 car garage. And then meron tayo ditong fence and gate na included upon turnover. Meron na rin tayo ditong lamp post. And syempre meron na rin tayong doorbell na included. So tara, pasokan natin. Tara tuloy kayo sa Amethyst model. So as you can see dito sa ating pedestrian area, meron tayong non-skid na flooring. Meron tayong inside gardens in both sides. And then this is the main door. This naman is the parking area. So it can fit up to SUV size na sasakyan. As you can see, pebble type ang ating flooring. And then this is the access naman going to the service area. So dito naman tayo ngayon sa ating service area mga kabahay. So as you can see, makikita nyo meron tayo ditong laundry area. And kung meron kayong mga makikita ditong paint na nakalagay sa ating ilalim is dahil newly constructed po ang ating property. By the way, again, this is a model unit only. Meron tayong provision dito for your automatic washing machine. May mga outlets na rin po na included para sa inyong electric outlet. So, andito naman tayo mga kabay sa ating lanay area. On this side, makikita nyo may provision tayo dito for water tank and water pump. As you can see, ang floorings pa rin natin is made of pebble. Meron tayong sliding door access to our dining area. Meron tayo ditong mini garden. Tara, pasok naman tayo sa ating Amethyst model. So, upon entering, meron tayo ditong steel door and then meron tayo ditong keypad lock. On this side naman po ay meron tayong ground floor, toilet, and bath. As you can see, complete fixtures po ang ating turnover ng ating ground floor, toilet, and bath. So, we're now here mga kabahay sa ating living area. So, as you can see, meron tayong 60 by 60 na tiles. Meron na rin tayo ditong magandang ceiling, and under the staircase, meron tayo ditong area for storage area. And then, as you can see, meron tayo ditong window for additional natural light. So, we're now here at the dining area, mga kabahay. As you can see, ang ating ceiling is my design. And then, of course, this is the sliding door access to our lanay area. So, this is the kitchen area, mga kabahay. So, same as others. So, meron tayo ditong storage area. And then, meron tayo ditong built-in cabinets na included. Over and under, meron na tayong provision for gas range and range hood. And then, may provision for microwave. This is the kitchen sink. And then, this is the provision naman for your 2-door refrigerator. We have here the steel door access naman ito going to the service area. So, ang good thing sa ating Amethyst model, meron tayong 1 bedroom here at the ground floor. Tara, check natin. So, dito sa ating ground floor bedroom, meron tayong built-in cabinet na included. So, floor to ceiling na po ang height nito. And then, meron tayo dito single-size bed na kayang in-accommodate. And of course, may provision tayo dito for window-type aircon. Tara, check naman natin ang ating second floor. So, dito sa ating second floor, ang ating staircase is made of wood ang railings and metal. And then, meron tayong floorings na made of tiles. High ceiling to. And then, meron tayong provision for your chandelier. Meron din tayo dito fixed window for the natural light. So, here sa second floor, mga kabahay, ay meron tayong hallway. And we have a total of 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. And of course, meron tayong access dito going to the balcony. So, this is the bedroom number 1, mga kabahay, here at the second floor. So, as you can see, complete finish din po ang turnover dito. Kasya dito ang double-size bed. And ang good thing, meron tayong floor-to-ceiling na cabinet and then the vanity area. And ang ating own toilet and bath here at the bedroom number 1. Let's check naman mga kabahay ang ating master's bedroom. So upon entering mga kabahay, makikita nyo ang ating master's toilet and bath. Pero before that, let's check muna gaano kalaki ang ating master's bedroom. So as you can see, ang ating master's bedroom, kasya dito or kaya mag-accommodate dito ng queen size bed. Meron tayong malaking sliding window. May provision po ito for split type aircon. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang ating floor-to-ceiling na built-in cabinets. So ito po ay included upon turnover and the vanity area. Let's check the master's toilet and bath. So as you can see, meron tayo dito freestanding na bathtub, may shower enclosure, naka-rain shower, and complete fixtures tayo to lavatory and the toilet seat. Tara, check naman natin ang ating balcony area. So as you can see dito sa balcony area, mahaba po ang ating area at maganda to dahil meron na tayong railings dito na made of metal. Ang ating accent sa ating facade is very minimalist pero aesthetic ang datingan. Kaya kung ikaw ay interested kabahay to view this amethyst model, this is a pre-selling stage and 5 minutes away lamang ito sa Robinson SM Dasmariñas, Cavite. Book your trippings at 0916-518-4710. Again, this is Juan Tapawan of Exosia Properties, your PRC, and this is the accredited salesperson. Thank you for watching mga kabahay.